Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you the inside scoop on the beauty products that make or break your routine. If you're in the market for a blush that delivers on both performance and versatility, today's review might just hit the mark. We're talking about the KIKO Milano Unlimited Blush 08 in Universal Peach, a powder blush that promises long-lasting wear with a buildable matte finish. But does it really stand up to the hype? Let's dive in. KIKO Milano, known for its high-quality yet affordable beauty products, offers a variety of cosmetics, and their unlimited blush line is one that's earned its place in many makeup bags. This blush comes in a sleek, portable compact with a matte finish that promises to stay put throughout the day, offering a buildable formula that adapts to your desired intensity. The shade 08 Universal Peach is designed to suit a wide range of skin tones, which is always a plus when it comes to finding that perfect blush. When you open the compact, you're greeted with a finely milled powder that has a soft, smooth texture. It's easy to pick up with a brush and applies effortlessly onto the skin. The Universal Peach shade leans toward a natural, warm peach tone, making it suitable for everyday wear. The finish is matte, which I really appreciate because it gives the skin a soft, blurred effect. No shimmer or shine to compete with your highlighter. Now, when it comes to buildability, this blush is definitely a winner. You can start with a light dusting for a subtle flush, or layer it for a more intense pop of color, depending on your mood or look of the day. What I really liked about the buildable nature is how seamless it blends into the skin without looking patchy or cakey, even with multiple layers. It's a nice balance of control and flexibility, making it easy to wear for both minimalistic and full glam looks. In terms of longevity, this blush delivers pretty well. I applied it in the morning, and it stayed put for a good 8 hours without any noticeable fading. I didn't notice it settling into fine lines or becoming patchy by the end of the day, which is often a concern with powder blushes. However, I'd recommend setting it with a light mist if you have particularly oily skin, just to ensure maximum wear time. Now, let's talk about value for money. At its price point, I find this blush to be quite affordable, especially considering the high-quality formula and the fact that it's long-lasting. There are definitely other blushes out there at a similar price, but they often don't have the same smooth texture or buildability that KIKO Milano's Unlimited Blush offers. So in terms of value, I'd say this blush holds its ground well against competitors, making it a solid option for those looking to add a versatile blush to their collection without breaking the bank. There are a few downsides though. For one, the compact doesn't come with a mirror, which can be a bit inconvenient for touch-ups on the go. Additionally, if you're someone who prefers blushes with a dewy finish, this matte formula might not be the right choice for you. But if you're after a long-wearing, natural-looking matte blush, these are minor things to consider. If you're not keen on the peachy tone of the Universal Peach shade, KIKO Milano offers a variety of other shades in the Unlimited Blush line, so you can easily find something that fits your skin tone and preferences. So, does the KIKO Milano Unlimited Blush 08 live up to its claims? Absolutely. It offers a smooth, buildable formula with impressive longevity, all wrapped up in an affordable price tag. If you're someone who enjoys a natural flush of color with a matte finish, this blush could quickly become a staple in your makeup routine. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, the link to purchase the product can be found in the comments or description box. If you've used this blush before, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We love hearing from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.